Alright guys, welcome to Opimation, and I just wanted to do a video. This is a quick video, just wanted to get your help, and it's kind of like a little poll I guess, but I recently just qualified as a level 1 coach, so I wanted to share that with you. Precision Nutrition, they gave me my, well, it's actually been a few months now, but I just thought I'd do a video now. So basically it's Precision Nutrition level 1 certificate in nutrition and coaching, so I can officially coach and nutrition and all that kind of stuff. So really chuffed with that. I had to study this level 1, these books here, so you can see these here. So basically it's the essentials of nutrition and coaching. What's this one? Working through the precision nutrition coaching process. There's a precision nutrition approach, the new science of nutrition. So I had to study all of these books, and then I had to do a test, and I passed the test. As long as you get over 70%, that's what it matters. But the reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm actually thinking, a lot of you might be aware of the hashtag #GameDevFitness. And, you know, it's something that kind of been on my mind because when I was getting into the best shape of my life and I was working at Traveller's Tales at the time, Warner Brothers, working on Lego games, a lot of my peers would be asking me, oh, what do you do for training, this and that? And sometimes I used to do 5-minute or 10-minute HIIT training, and some peers would join in with me. So I thought, you know, they were concerned about fat loss, weight, and everything, and they started asking questions, and I thought, you know what, it might be a good idea to just package this up as a course for game devs and animators. So I got the idea of fitness and health, or health and fitness for game dev and animators. So I just wanted to get your opinion on that. What do you think? Do you think that's a good idea? You know, post in the comments if you think, yeah, you'd be up for it, you'd like to enroll, this and that, because, you know, ultimately I would like to help you guys out in not just animation, but obviously our health is very important. And you know how I'm a big advocate for health as well, especially in the gaming industry. You know, I see a lot of people who are in crunch, a lot of my colleagues going through crunch phase. You know, they get just shitloads of menus thrown at them and they order it, and before they know it, at the start of their project, they seem to be fine, but by the end you can see them turning into pear-shaped. And, you know, we've got to do something about our health, man. And it's you know, it can be quite dangerous as well. You know, when you actually go through the coaching and you see what you eat and what it does to your body, it's scary, man. It's scary. It really is. But we're just not aware of that. And I would like to educate people more about health and fitness and how important it is to how it contributes to your performance. You know, I've been overweight, you know, when you're overweight, you feel sluggish, you don't want to perform well. And when I've got ripped and completely ripped, obviously I'm not going to stay ripped like that. It's very unsustainable to have 6% body fat on you and stay like that. But the idea of this course is to get you into the best shape of your life, get you like not completely ripped, but to a weight which is suited to your height and your dimensions of who you are. You know, there's an ideal weight that you target, you get to, then you can go beyond that if you like, which I did. I went down to 75 kilos. Really, for my height, 6'2", I should be around 82 to 85. But sometimes you got to get that challenge in your mind where you get completely ripped, and you're doing it because you're exercising the mind. You're trying to delay that gratification for later because you got a goal, you know, and that's what you can apply to everything else in your life. So you're creating those good habits too. So this course is all about, you know, really delving into those good habits, shifting your identity, because that person that I was in 2021 wasn't the same person in September 2021, right? I couldn't have been that person, because then I wouldn't have got ripped. So I've been there where I have shifted my mindset and my habits, and I've created a new set of habits and identity. Really, you're shifting your identity. That's what you're doing. You're not going to be the same person you were when you go on this journey. And it's the same as animation, right? So you're starting off, you get a mentor, and by the time you made the experience, get the experience, you know, work with great mentors, you're not the same animator you were 5 years ago or 10 years ago. So this is just something that's been on my mind. And now that, you know, you guys have been so great, I've got great subscribers now who give me feedback. So I just wanted to know, honestly, if you want, I'm going to start planning the course and I'll let you know the progress. And I'll do that because at the moment, I'm also cutting too. Like for June, I should have a photo shoot ready, conditioned by June. So this is my second cut I'm doing. So I just wanted to prove to myself that the first time wasn't a fluke, that I can do it the second time. And the more and more you do it, the more and more you start to master your nutrition, your health, your everything. And then you're just kind of convincing yourself that, yeah, you can do it. It's something that you can overcome. You can overcome the battles in your mind, and you can keep going for your goals, you know, because even if, you know, when you do a fitness journey, when you do a fitness transformation, I found that, okay, this is something that I thought I couldn't do. I never thought I could get to 6% body fat, but it kind of gives you a little shift in your mind. Then you think, you know what, if I can do this, you really think that, okay, any other things are not really that challenging. Like even with the animation shots, there's complex animation shots. I'm thinking, okay, let's break it down. Let's do it a day at a time, plan it out, okay, follow it. And it's all in the planning. It's the same thing as fitness, food prep. Really, to get into the best shape of your life, it's all in the planning. Get your food prep right. Make sure you're hitting your proteins, fats and carbs, you can decide. I mean, I'll explain all this if people are up for having a course in it. And then you just follow it. That's all you're doing. And then when you cut, calories go down. Obviously the proteins go higher, but your carbs go down. So really what you're really doing is you're playing with the carbs up and down, up and down. When bulking, when you're lean bulking, your carbs go up. When you're cutting, your carbs come down, your proteins go up a bit, and you're just in more of a deficit. But anyway, I explain all that later. But this is just more to do with, this is an idea I had for the course. So yeah, if you think that's a good idea, just comment below and say yes, or, hashtag fitness, whatever you want to put in. I just wanted to put that out there because now that I am qualified, it kind of makes it a bit more legit that I can coach and do nutrition, even though I could do that before anyway, because I've been through the process, but this kind of just validates it. All right, everyone. So this is the Game Dev Fitness I was talking about. So I had this domain name a while back, but basically it's in conjunction with R&T Fitness, who I've been working with. And, if you're interested, there is a big discount code here too, but, we can talk about that later. This is more about just the website I got. I've got my qualification on here too. And it's just basically showing, what my mates were saying. I got a documentary here, basically of my first transformation, which you've probably seen on my YouTube channel. There's a podcast here as well from R&T. And yeah, other people you can see on here have transformed as well. It's not just my transformation. So, and this is just promoting the Game Dev Fitness website. I haven't really done much. There's links here you can see, but I'm going to start pushing this a bit more. It's just been on the back burner because of the Maya course I've done and stuff like that. So yeah, it's one of those projects that I'm looking forward to taking a bit more further now. Right. Hey guys, also don't forget, if you're serious about animation and you want to take your animation to the next level, beginners, intermediate, doesn't matter. And this is a course that I've done. It just came out about a month ago. There's about 15 people enrolled in already. It's really good. People are starting to reap the benefits of it and they're giving good feedback to the course. So this is what I've been working on for the last 3 or 4 months. It's really been dedicating my time, hence the Game Dev Fitness I couldn't do. But this is the page, so you can come here and you can check out the case study first. If you like it, you can go to learn more, and in the learn more I go into the course and really break it down, what the course is all about. It explains it all in detail. There's a lot more practical stuff in here, but also in the end there's a section on networking through the webinar, the case study, see if it fits you. And it's about 20 minutes long, and I appreciate your time. If you don't want to enroll, fair enough, understand, if it's not for you, but this is only for serious people who really want to level up their animations and take it to the next level. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Happy animating, stay disciplined, be consistent, be persistent, and have a desire. Okay, the desire will bring all the consistency and discipline. All right, guys, I'll see you later. I'll see you in the next video.